What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I turn an inexpensive guitar into a guitar that plays about $2,000 worth of guitar. That's right. This guitar plays like I just bought a $2,000 guitar. It plays exactly the same as something you would spend $2,000 on, but I didn't spend $2,000 for this guitar. I got to tell you, it was a lot less than that. It's a basic Gibson Epiphone. Look at the tuners on it. This is a basic guitar. It is not that much money, but this thing plays like you would go in the store and pick up a $2,000 Fender or Gibson or Dean, and it just rifles. And I'm going to tell you why it does. Because I polished the frets on this bad boy. In another video I show you how to buff your frets, and I'm here in this video, I'm here to show you how and what the benefits are and why you want to be doing it and how important it is to buff your frets and do a setup. Have the guitar properly set up, change your strings, buff your frets. Do everything correctly that I show you in my videos, and that is how the reason I'm showing you that is because if you don't own a custom USA made guitar that is $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, because that's the kind of money you really got to spend to get polished frets off the shelf. No guitar really comes with polished frets off the shelf. Some of them do, but not a lot of them. You got to look for them. The Schecters probably come with them. The Jacksons probably come with them. But you got to spend a lot of money, $700, $800, $1,000, and then you got to do them all the time. So sometimes you might get lucky and find a guitar for under a couple grand. But when you buy those American-made guitars, they're $1,800, $1,600 and up. The setup is phenomenal. The frets are buffed. Everything is perfect. And that's what you're getting is perfect playability. But I'm going to explain to you how you get that playability and sound out of a lesser expensive guitar. This guitar is not a lot of money, a few $100, $200, $300 at best. That's all it is. But it plays like an incredible beast. So somebody doesn't have to spend a lot of money to get great playability. I brought these pickups, again in the setup, I brought the pickups, if you can see, so close to these strings that these pickups are actually very hot, coming right out of the factory of the Epiphone factory. These things are pretty darn, see how close they are in there? How close that string is? You see that? Let me get that in there a little bit for you. Look at how close these strings are to these frets. Now, these are hot pickups. I got the strings real close. These are brand new strings. I buffed these frets. I tightened everything down. I snugged up the guitar. I solved the LGS problem. If you don't know what LGS is, then watch my video on it. So I solved the LGS. I buffed the frets. Brand new strings. Full, complete setup. This thing is a beast. I mean, just listen to that. I can't even believe the depth of the bass on this thing is sick. You're not even gonna get that out of a studio. Well, you probably will, but you're gonna work it. But this is an Epiphone, not a studio. A studio is $1,400, $1,500. This thing is $2,000 or $3,000. Guys, follow my videos. and you can make an inexpensive guitar play like $1 million. There's no reason why you got to be spending any expensive money to buy a guitar. Whatever you have at home, if you watch my video on buffing frets, if you watch my video on how to tighten down your bolts and how to fix the screws and all that other stuff that I explain in my videos, you watch all my videos, you're going to play like a beast, and so will your guitar play like a beast. Because if you want to play like one, well, it starts with a decent piece of equipment. You can't run a race with Mission 3 cylinders. You got to be firing on all of them. So guys, watch my videos. I'm here to help you. I want you to play your best, and that's what my videos are going to do. And this is why you watch my videos on how to buff your frets. This is why you clamp down on LGS. This is why you learn your basics, because you can take a guitar like this and turn it into a dream machine. Guys, I'll see you in the next video.